I'm Susan. I hope y'all are doing great today. I had a request from a friend of mine from my DIY channel days who wanted to know if I had a recipe for pecan pie. And the pecan pie I like to make is the Pioneer Woman's pecan pie. So that's what I'm going to do. Usually I make my own pie crust. This time I'm taking it a little bit easier. I usually double my recipe for the pecan pie to make two, but there's always a lot of the filling left over. So this time I'm going to try it with just regular filling, and I have a smaller regular pie crust as well because I'm using a deep dish. So we'll see how that goes. Whether I'll need it or not, I don't know, but we'll find out. So I hope y'all will enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of light Karo, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 3 eggs beaten, 1/3 cup of melted butter that's been cooled slightly, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a heaping cup of chopped pecans, and an unbaked pie shell. You'll want to pour your pecans into the bottom of your unbaked pie shell and set it aside. Now into a large mixing bowl you want to add your Karo as well as all of your other ingredients and whisk it together really well. And I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you'll want to pour the filling over the pecans, and the pecans will rise as they bake. And I did have enough filling to where I grabbed another pie crust. So I think this recipe, as it is perfect for 2 regular size pecan pies. But you will need to add another cup of nuts into the other pie shell. So you'll need twice as much nuts, but the same amount of filling. Now you'll need to cover your pies with aluminum foil. Make sure they're on a baking sheet and bake it for 35 minutes. After the 35 minutes, you'll want to remove the foil and put it back in the oven, and it says to bake for 25 to 30 minutes, but it only took 20 minutes for mine. You don't want it to overcook or to get hard, and you want to be careful not to burn the crust of the pecans. And if it seems to be browning too quickly, just cover it with foil again, and the pie should be not very jiggly when it comes out. And here it is. This is my all-time favorite pie. I love pecan pie. It just brings home to me. My mom used to make the best, and I don't have her recipe. So this is a good one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, this pie is really easy. I mean, you don't even have to get out a mixer. Just a whisk, a bowl, and your pie crust. You can make your own or do like me on this one and just use a frozen pie crust. It's just as good and without all the hassle. So I hope you have a great, wonderful day. I hope you give this pie a try. And until next time, bye y'all.